Hi, Monica. How are you doing today?
Hi, Brady. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. So, I heard you're starting to learn English. That's fantastic.
Yes, I am. But it's a little challenging. There's so much to learn.
That's true, but don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. How are you practicing?
Well, I'm using some apps on my phone and I'm trying to watch movies in English. Sometimes I practice speaking with myself.
Those are great ideas. Practicing every day is the key. Have you tried shadowing?
Shadowing? What is that?
Shadowing is when you listen to someone speaking and then repeat what they say immediately after. It helps improve your pronunciation and fluency.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Can you show me how it works?
Sure. I'll say something and you repeat it. Ready?
Ready?
Hello, how are you today?
Hello. How are you today?
Perfect. See, it's simple. You just follow along and repeat.
This is fun. I'll definitely try this more often.
Monica, let's practice some basic topics. For example, how about introducing yourself?
Sure. Let me try. Hello, my name is Monica. I am 25 years old. I live in a small town. I like reading books and watching movies.
That's really good. Maybe you can add where you work or study.
Oh, okay. I work as a graphic designer at a small company.
Excellent. Now let me introduce myself. Hello, I'm Brady. I'm 28 years old. I live in the city. I enjoy playing sports and traveling.
Nice to meet you, Brady.
Nice to meet you too, Monica. This is how people introduce themselves in English. It's good to keep it simple and clear.
Got it. I'll keep practicing my introduction.
Let's talk about daily routines. What do you do every day?
I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. After that, I eat breakfast and go to work. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening. I relax and watch TV. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
That's great. Your sentences are clear. Can I add something?
Of course.
You can use words like usually, often, or sometimes to make your sentences more interesting. For example, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Or sometimes I watch TV in the evening.
Oh, I see. Let me try again. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Sometimes I read a book before going to bed.
Perfect. That's a great improvement.
Brady, can we practice asking for directions? I always get nervous when I have to do that.
Sure. Let's imagine you're lost in a city. What would you say?
Maybe something like, "Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station."
That's perfect. And if someone asks you where something is, you can say, "It's on the left," or "It's straight ahead."
What if I don't understand their answer?
Good question. You can say, "I'm sorry, can you say that again?" Or, "Can you speak more slowly, please?"
Those are useful phrases. I'll write them down.
Monica. Let's practice ordering food. Imagine we're at a restaurant. What would you say?
Hi, I would like to order a sandwich and a coffee, please.
Excellent. And if they ask, "Do you want anything else?" What would you say?
I can say, no, thank you.
Perfect. And don't forget to say thank you when they bring your food.
Got it. I'll try to remember that.
Monica, let's practice shopping. Imagine you're at a store. What would you say if you need help?
Excuse me, can you help me find a red sweater?
That's good. And if the shop assistant shows you something, you can say, "Can I try it on?" Or, "Do you have this in a smaller size?"
Oh, I like that. What if I want to ask about the price?
Just say, "How much does this cost?" Or, "Is this on sale?"
Thanks, Brady. Shopping in English feels less scary now.
Monica, small talk is a big part of English conversations. Let's practice.
Sure. What kind of small talk?
For example, you can talk about the weather. "It's such a sunny day, isn't it?"
Yes, it is. I love sunny days.
Perfect. You can also ask about hobbies. "What do you like to do in your free time?"
I enjoy reading and going for walks. What about you?
"I like playing soccer and watching movies." See? It's easy to start a friendly chat. Hi everyone. Now that we've practiced different topics and conversations, it's your turn to practice speaking English with me. I'll ask you some simple questions, and I want you to think of your answers. Don't worry if it's not perfect. This is all about learning and improving. Take your time, listen carefully, and try to respond as if we're having a real conversation. Let's get started. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you like to do in your free time? What time do you usually wake up? What do you do for a living? What is your favorite food? Where do you usually go on weekends? What kind of music do you like? What is your favorite color? Who is your favorite actor or actress? How do you get to work or school? What is your favorite season? What time do you go to bed? Keep practicing, everyone. You'll get better each day. Remember, practice makes perfect. Good luck to all the learners out there. You're doing great.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation practice and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.